Hello and welcome to Brain Teasers and Wine Night for Moms. I'm Ava and I'm going to be your host for this event. I just wanted to make a quick video and say hello and let you know that I'm so excited that you're going to be joining us. This is going to be a fun evening, nice and relaxing, and just a good social hour where you can meet other moms and just have a good time. And just to kind of kick things off, don't forget to check out the brain teaser that I have posted on this page. It's kind of just a little thing to give you an idea of what is to come. So I'm going to be giving you the answer to that one and others as well at the event. As far as what to bring, just your brain and a glass of wine or whatever you would like to drink, maybe something to write with, something to write on. I'm hoping to make it an interactive event where we kind of break up into rooms and we can kind of chat and figure things out together. The plan is to start at 7:30, but hopefully there will be no technology issues. But just in case, keep an eye out for an email from me if that happens. And feel free to send me an email as well if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you. All right, bye.